Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, we are going to create something festive, fun and absolutely charming Easter tray centerpiece. These trays are perfect for adding a cheerful and colorful touch to your dining tables, coffee tables, or even as a gifts for loved ones. Let's get started. Choosing your tray. Start by picking a tray that suits your styles and space. Wooden tray give a wash required with metals or pastel tray brings a modern touch. The size depends on whether you want a small centerpiece for a coffee tables or a large display for your dining tables. Step 2. Selecting your Easter elements. Now it's time to gather your Easter decoration. You will need weavers and mix and match colors and texture to create placing arrangement. Layer in the base. Place a soft layer on the tray like moss, a small dollies or fabric runners. This will act as the foundation and help elevate your centerpiece. Layering it depend and make your decoration stand out beautifully. Arrange the main decoration. Start with the large elements first. For example, candles or bigger flower arrangement. Mirrors. Place them silently off centers for a natural look. Next, add Easter eggs, small bunnies, and other mini decoration items. Spread them around the tray, balancing color and shape. Keep some open space so the arrangements look overground. Adding finer touches. Add tiny extra flowers or ribbons as to fill in angry gaps. If you are using candles, make sure they are so safe. You can also spark a few tiny Easter theme ornaments or to add a playful vibe. Viewers, styling tips. Use pastel tones for a soft spring look. Group multiply small tray together for a festive display. Add fairy lights or a small LED string to make it magical at night. Why Easter tray centerpiece are perfect?